What I'd like you to do now is open up the Restaurant Application Database in your Project Files folder. So click the Microsoft Office button, select Open, and then browse to the location of where you've saved the Project Files folder. Double-click on restaurantapplication.accdb. You're going to be working with this database throughout many areas of this series. This first form that opens up is a welcoming screen. You can either close this form by clicking the Close button here or this X in the upper right corner, so do that now. What I'd like to talk about is the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is a new component of the user interface within Access 2007. And that's up here to the right of the Microsoft Office button. This special toolbar gives you easy access to some of the more commonly used commands that you will use in Access 2007. You can also customize this toolbar to include additional commands. By default, it displays Save, Undo, and Redo. If you click Save, that saves any changes to the currently selected database object. Undo will undo the last change that you made to a record or a database object, and vice versa. The Redo command will cancel the last undo change you made to a record or database object. At the right end of the Quick Access Toolbar is a small drop-down arrow. So click this button, and this opens the Customized Quick Access Toolbar. The top section of the menu displays common commands that you might want to add to the Quick Access Toolbar. Note that the three default commands, Save, Undo, and Redo, have check marks next to them, which means that they will automatically display in the Quick Access Toolbar. If I uncheck, say, Undo, you'll notice it disappears off the Quick Access Toolbar. I'm going to add it again, and you'll see it reappear. I'm going to click the arrow one more time, and you'll see 8 additional options: New, Open, Email, Quick Print, Print Preview, Spelling, Mode, and Refresh All. Any of these options, also you can put a check mark next to. So if I click Print Preview, you'll now see Print Preview has been added to the Quick Access Toolbar. I'm going to click this off again, and then click the arrow one more time, and you'll see 3 options down near the very bottom: More Commands, Show Below the Ribbon, and Minimize the Ribbon. If you click More Commands, do this now, you'll see the Access Options dialog box displayed. And what it does, it opens to the Customize category on the left side. Up near the top, you'll see a combo box that says Choose Commands From. By default, this shows the popular commands. If you click this down arrow, you'll see lots of options from the various ribbon tabs and contextual tabs. I'm going to show you. I'll scroll down here, and you'll see lots of different design tabs, arrange tabs, page setup tabs. These are all contextual tabs. If you click on any of these options, I'm going to click on Office menu now. Now you'll see all the commands that you see on the Office menu when you click the Microsoft Office button in the upper left corner. I'll scroll down so you can see them all. And any commands that have more than one option, such as a menu, have this arrow, such as Publish, Save as Other Format, or Server. Below this list, you'll see an option that says Show Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon. Let me show you what that looks like. I'm going to put a check in there, and then click OK to dismiss this dialog box. Notice now that the Quick Access Toolbar has moved below the ribbon. If you'd like to show the Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon so you can have less space to move between these commands, you can move it down here. I'm going to click the arrow again, and down here at the bottom, you'll see 2 additional options: Show Above the Ribbon and Minimize the Ribbon. If you click Show Above the Ribbon, try that right now, you'll see it moves back up to above the ribbon. I'm going to click it one more time, and notice now that it says Show Below the Ribbon. The text on here will change depending upon the position of where the Quick Access Toolbar is located. The last option on here is Minimize the Ribbon. And if you notice, when I click there, the entire ribbon collapses to just showing the 4 main tabs. If I click on any of these tabs, you'll see that the ribbon comes back into focus, but it overlaps the navigation pane and part of the object window. If I click off, you'll notice it collapses again. So if you need some more space in the object window or in the navigation pane, you can click that option to have it collapsed. To change it back, click the arrow and uncheck the option next to minimize, and you'll see the ribbon come back to full size and push the navigation pane and the object window down.